Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug generic name Metronidazole. Its classification: antiprotozoal and antibacterial. Indications are: it is indicated primarily in the treatment of anaerobic infections. The drug is also indicated in geriatrics, where it may be drug of choice, and in amoebic hepatic abscess and amoebic dysentery. Metronidazole is also effective for the treatment of H. pylori in combination with amoxicillin or clarithromycin and PPI, and parasitic infection caused by Trichomonas vaginalis or and Amoeba histolytica. Doses in oral formulation: adult dose 400 to 800 mg every 8 hours for 5 to 10 days. Trichomonasis bacterial vaginosis 2 gram as a single dose. H. pylori eradication 400 mg 2 times with amoxicillin and proton pump inhibitor, or 200 to 400 mg 4 times with bismuth sucralfate, tetracycline and PPI. Pediatric doses are 22.5 to 35 mg per kg per day in 3 divided doses. Parenteral doses in adult 500 to 750 mg every 8 hours. In children 22.5 to 35 mg per kg per day in 3 divided doses. Maximum dose in adult 4 gram per day, and for pediatric 2 gram per day. Administration: take on empty stomach. If GI upset occur, can be taken with food. Due to low pH of reconstituted product, cannot be given by direct intravenous bolus injection. Always give over 30 to 60 minutes. Strengths are available in tablet 200 mg and 400 mg. In suspensions 200 mg per 5 ml. In infusion form 500 mg per 100 ml. Patient counselling: tell the patient that urine may be discolored to the dark. It may cause metallic taste. Adverse effects are ataxia, dizziness, headache, peripheral neuropathy, seizures, anorexia, GI comfort, metallic taste prevision, vaginal discharge, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia rare, ototoxicity rare. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.